Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and his whiniest patient of all, Renae. And this is the only good-looking woman besides Deborah that we can get to do a video because of y'all's comments. The women don't want to do videos anymore. So keep the comments clean. So we're going to adjust Renae today. She's been a pain in the butt all day. Here, no, look in the mirror.
Oh.
I
got so much to do. Okay.
Forward, backwards, and then neutral. You see her head's a little cockeyed over to the right. Pelvis is also a little bit to the right of center. Now she's been having some acid reflux herself.
I'm weaving too.
Yeah, she's a little weavy. Dizzy blonde. Okay.
Well, I'm not blonde anymore.
Oh, that was a good double.
Huh?
I said that was a good double. Okay, so Renee's always in the last pegs here, which is a good sign. Okay.
Don't be doing any fat jokes.
I don't do fat jokes. And we're going to take it easy on SoCal today. We won't be giving him a hard time. He seems like a nice guy, and he probably does a good job on people. So I don't have any animosity towards anybody. We just have fun in here. There you go. Just like that. That was smooth as silk, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
And she's still kicking. Okay. Yep. Perfect. Good job. Yeah, Renee's one of you crack addicts' favorites because she's just crackalicious.
Sorry.
Okay. Come over here on your tummy. And the reason we had our blinds closed earlier today is because it's like over 100 degrees here in Houston today. And sometimes that sun comes through these windows and gets really hot here. And there is no wastebasket again. Okay, Renee's right leg is short by 1/2 inch. And it gets even right there. Is that tighten up in your lower back?
In my thighs.
Right, yeah, right there too.
Mm. Yeah,
Is that sore?
Yeah, it's sore.
Okay, so we're gonna adjust your pelvis here first. Let this down a little bit. There we go. There we go. Good.
Oh, God.
That's perfect. You just keep exhaling, just like that. And she's got a look. That's tight right there, huh? Tender.
Yes.
This is the somatovisceral reflex that goes to her celiac plexus or her stomach. So we're just gonna put a little pressure on that. Ooh, yeah, there we go. Okay, I'm just gonna do a little lateral traction in here. Stretch. Good. Okay, let's turn you on your back now.
She didn't want to say it hurt.
That's because it didn't.
Huh?
That's because it
What
didn't.
didn't hurt?
That.
Turning over?
No, me poking on you.
Oh, it did hurt.
No, it didn't. Quit whining. There we go. Okay, slide down just a little bit. Put your arms out like this.
I don't like this one.
Yeah, I like you.
Oh, God.
Okay.
Oh.
Now, put your hands up here. No, up here. Take a deep breath in. Let all your air out. So she's had some stomach problems and a little acid reflux here, so I'm going to pull her stomach down through her diaphragm too, which I have to do occasionally. There we go. And we go.
I was holding my breath.
I know.
Oh gosh.
Okay, let your leg relax in my hand. Okay. There we go. Good. Okay. I'll sit you up face towards Joseph's there. And Renee's shoulders are super loud always because she's on the computer all day long and they about fall out of her sockets. Oh yeah. I moved about an inch every time. That's it. Good. So we're going to get her elbows and her wrists. There we go. Good. Okay. There we go. Okay, let's stand you up here in front of the mirror. And I'll set this light for you. Okay, flex your head forward and backwards again. In neutral. Okay, she's a little bit right still. So we're going to bring it back and translate it a little bit left. No, shift your post right.
Right, okay.
There, now look up. Little tap there. Another little tap right there. Okay, now relax again. And try that same thing again. This should feel smoother to you. Yep, right down the middle right now, honey.
Okay.
Good job.
Okay.
So this is your Houston chiropractor and your Houston chiropractor's whiny wife, Renae, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief, LLC in Houston, Texas. And join us on our Q&A tomorrow at 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time on our new channel, Advanced Chiropractic Relief, LLC. And thank you for subscribing and getting all your friends and family to subscribe too. We'll see y'all tomorrow.